Welcome back. The verdict is in Uvalde. There's a live look inside the gallery. Word from the courtroom is we're waiting for the defendant, Adrian Gonzales, the former police officer, to arrive inside the courtroom. And I believe when he gets in there, they will assemble everyone and deliver this verdict. And there's the defendant walking in. And, you know, you take a moment to think about what this moment is like. Yes, he's not facing life in prison, but he is facing a potential 58 years. Someone who at one point was a police officer, his job was to serve and protect and put people into jail. And here he is now, moments away from finding out whether or not he will become a convicted felon and end up behind bars in prison.
All right, please be seated in the courtroom. Members of the jury, I've received the information that you have a verdict. Could I have the presiding juror stand momentarily? Is that verdict unanimous, sir?
Yes, sir.
As to each of the 29 counts?
Yes, sir.
Could you hand it to the bailiff for me, and you may be seated? Could I have defendant and counsel please rise? All right, because number 25 FC 0001U, the state of Texas versus Adrian Gonzales. In each of the 29 counts, we, the jury, find the defendant, Adrian Gonzales, not guilty. You see it? All right, members of the jury, I want to thank each and every one of you for your close attention and your patience and being with us timely throughout this trial. I know it was not easy for you. I know everybody was drafted, nobody volunteered. It was a long endeavor, and I want to thank each and every one of you for being here. I'm going to ask you one more time to go with the bailiff to the jury room, and we'll release you from back there. But thank each and every one of you, and would everyone rise for the jury to be excused? All right, Mr. Gonzales, you were acquitted by the jury. Your lawyers can talk to you more about this, but you do have the opportunity within a timely manner to file for that expunction. They will tell you further about that, but it's incumbent on me to tell you that immediately after the verdict is returned. All right, we're in recess. Thank you very much. I'm going to tell them, folks, it's up to you. They're released from their instructions. I'm gonna tell
Adrian Gonzales has been found not guilty on all 29 charges. He'll go home tonight a free man. Was facing real time in prison for his alleged inaction on the day of the massacre at Robb Elementary School on May 24th, 2022.